Container Corporation of India Limited is India's premier and multimodal logistics service provider supporting India's EXIM and domestic trade in containerized cargo. CONCOR, as it is popularly known, was incorporated in March 1988 under the Companies Act and commenced operations from November 1989, taking over the existing network of 7 ICDs from the Indian Railways. From its humble beginning, it is now an undisputed market leader, having the largest network of 62 ICDs CFSs in India. These terminals act as a pivot for handling the transportation of containers across the country between major commercial and industrial centers in the hinterland and gateway ports in most economical and efficient manner. The commissioning of the Inland Container Depot, Dadri, in January 26, 2004 marked the beginning of the flagship depot of North Central region. ICD Dadri, a vibrant hinterland, is an advantage to the healthy and booming Indian economy, with a robust platform indeed for the growth of domestic and EXIM container traffic. ICD Dadri is a rapidly growing hinterland port in the country, with a location advantage to have its presence with the vicinity of North, North Central and Northwestern Industrial Hub and Transshipment Center. This would be the future hub and terminus for East and West corridors of upcoming dedicated freight corridor. ICD Dadri's motto is to provide reliable, responsive, safe and value-added logistics service in a cost-effective and consistent manner, using latest innovations to ensure complete customer convenience and satisfaction and value for money through continual improvement of its quality management systems and processes. Advantages of ICD Dadri. ICD Dadri is a complete logistics solution provider terminal constructed over an area of 105 hectares. An 8,400 square meter spacious administrative building complex with 3 wings housing offices of CONCOR, customs and various business associates like shipping lines, CHAs, transporters, surveyors, etc. ICD Dadri has fully operational CBS branch of Punjab National Bank to facilitate the financial transactions, including customs duty payment, with NEFT and RTGS facility. It has 3,65,600 square meter of concrete block paving for rail handling and parking of containers, 60,000 square meter bituminous paved area for parking of trailers and trucks, a versatile gate complex to monitor, regulate and control trailers entering or exiting the terminal, well-trained and helpful security personnel providing security and safety cover round the clock. ICD Dadri 4 full-length electrified rail lines with a handling capacity of 8 rakes per day, committing a daily rake service to all the major ports and domestic circuit. Highly professional and experienced operation staff ensures decreased dwell time and least detention of containers at terminal. State-of-the-art key equipments allow for container and cargo handling. 4 rubber tire gantry cranes, 5 reach stackers, 25 trailers for internal carting, 28 power packs to provide en route power supply to refrigerated containers in transit, 190 plug-in points for refrigerated containers, 60 empty capacities weigh bridge, 33 kVA DG set for uninterrupted electricity supply, concrete road connectivity, JVs, CFS for smooth internal transportation. All equipments are serviced and maintained by state-of-the-art workshops, ensuring maximum uptime. ICD Dadri offers services like transit warehouse build-up in an area of 9,000 square meter for import and export cargo and bonded warehouse of 2,000 square meter to store cargo and ask for partial releases, enabling duty-deferred payment. Also, less than container, LCL consolidation and reworking of LCL cargo. Air cargo connectivity to and fro IG Airport, Delhi through bonded truck operation. ICD Dadri has a dedicated communication network to support state-of-the-art management information system that provides the cutting edge to its logistics services. It operates state-of-the-art EXIM terminal management with its comprehensive approach towards high level of container movement, tracking and checking. ICD Dadri enjoys the exceptional connectivity through rail network and road, providing cost-effective and complete logistics solution. A single-window customs clearance facility, local, regional, central pre-deposit account or PDA facility as a hassle-free payment option to customers, automated electronic PDA statement for customers, touchscreen query facility, electronic IWB printing for imports arriving from all major ports or stations, web-based container track and trace facility, instant container track and trace SMS facility. ICD Dadri has constructed road connecting nearby village with the mainstream highway. Concord joined hands with Greater Noida Authority for building a road over bridge connecting ICD Dadri with GT Road. Upliftment and development activities in the neighbouring villages, school in the vicinity of terminal. ICD Dadri is committed to preserve the environment with continued efforts for plantation of trees in the complex and neighbouring areas. Enhancement of rake handling capacity by adding 2 more full-length sidings to make a total of 6 full-length electrified lines. Creation of additional warehouse for consolidation or break bulk of cargo activities. Construction of warehouse for domestic transit. First and last mile connectivity deploying Concor's own fleet of containers. Daily CBT or closed body trucks connectivity to and fro Delhi Airport for import-export movement of air cargo. Dedicated reefer logistics park with temperature-controlled warehouse facility. Repair facility for reefer containers. Centralized empty container yard to service JV's CFS. ICD Dadri is a serving port for Delhi and connecting states with a great opportunity for covering exporters and importers. With advent of most desirable dedicated freight corridor, ICD Dadri is expected to maintain an impressive growth rate over the next decades as it connects both east as well as west corridor. Concor, having its presence in many cities in India, has numerous opportunities through its outstanding connectivity and presence at key locations. ICD Dadri is truly a jewel of the crown. It is the ideal solution for the transportation of your goods within various parts of the country and to the major ports of India. The platform in the form of ICD Dadri, Concor has set up that will provide its business partners a mean to build on the tremendous growth that India is poised to experience in the coming years, both in terms of EXIM as well as domestic trade. Concor welcomes the fraternity of trade to have a reciprocal and long-term relationship to experience the state-of-the-art services and facilities to blossom the logistics industry in India.